Imagine pushing your limits every day, not just as a soldier, but as a trailblazer breaking new ground. Women in China's special forces are doing exactly that, shattering deep-rooted gender barriers in one of the world's most elite and demanding military environments. Selected through the same grueling physical and psychological assessments as their male counterparts, these women endure intense training regimes, from skydiving and hand-to-hand combat to survival skills in extreme and hostile environments. Their missions require absolute peak performance, whether it's counter-terrorism operations, reconnaissance behind enemy lines, or disaster relief efforts. They're not just keeping pace, they're excelling, often ranking among the top performers in their units. Their presence challenges long-standing stereotypes about gender roles within the military, and inspires a new generation of recruits to pursue their ambitions fearlessly. By proving their capabilities on the front lines, these women are helping to redefine what strength, resilience, and leadership truly mean in China's armed forces. Their journey stands as a powerful testament to perseverance, unity, and the relentless breaking of boundaries.